My research interest lies in the area of viral events on social media and largely in the context of political events. So one of the key things about viral events that's interesting to me is that it levels the information playing field. That people that have a grievance about some political environment issue or the environment itself have the ability now to get their message out and to get heard in ways that weren't possible before, or at least much less likely. You know, you don't need $1 million these days to get 1 million views. So there's a whole lot going on though in the area of virality here at the iSchool. One of the projects that we're looking at is how's the public responding through their engagement through retweeting with messages related to climate change. You know, we have a lot of people on Twitter that are very influential, that are tweeting different kinds of information out there. So how's the public responding to that? So here at the iSchool, I teach a class on data visualization, which is basically, you know, looking at large data sets and then finding the story in the data. What does the data tell us? And we use visualization to make sense of the data.
It teaches us how to present information in a way that the end user actually understands it and it's pretty clear from it. It should be pretty and understandable at the same time.
Yeah, I mean, it takes pretty much all the raw data that we were looking at and then kind of making sense of it and putting it in one visual. It's really cool for me too, since I'm kind of still new to the visualization side of things, but seeing the raw data and kind of our findings be brought to light in a different way is really cool.
But here, I started to learn how to see the actual tweets and also how the public opinions on social media are going on. So it's very helpful for me.
There's two key things that inspire me about my work, and one of them is working with students. You know, they bring their own passion and their own curiosity to every research project. And that's really rewarding to see them learn things and grow and to be driven by their own interests. The other part that inspires me about my work is finding just answers to social questions. Why is it that social media is turning out the way it is? Why is it that we have fake news? Why do we have people spreading information? Why do people spread information is an interesting question all by itself. And that's one of the things that drives me, is finding out the answer to those questions.